What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and I am back with some more Adobe Photoshop thumbnail creation. And today we are going to create a thumbnail for a video about creating a thumbnail for Jotun. So what we're going to want to open up is the Photoshop thumbnail, this one right here. And it's just going to be very simple. It's just going to be Jotun. Do I want to do Valhalla Edition thumbnail creation? Valhalla Edition. That adds so many words. Jotun thumbnail. Jotun Valhalla. Nah. We're just gonna go with Jotun. Let's just keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. Right? Jotun. We're going to hit V. We're going to come to here. We're going to go to Canvas. And we are going to click this button, and it's going to center it. Now we have Jotun thumbnail creation process. Then we will go to File, Save As, Graphic Design, YouTube Thumbnails, Creative. We want to create a new folder. Jotun thumbnail creation. Jotun thumbnail creation version 1. Save. Okay. File. Export. Quick export in PNG. Save. Alright, I think that's it for that one. I'm going to get this up to the video, get this on the video on YouTube. The Jotun thumbnail creation process video will actually be up within the next 2 weeks. And while I'm getting this one up on YouTube right now, hopefully you'll go and watch another one of my YouTube videos, and I will talk to you later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.